Deleting multiple contacts on your iPhone is super simple. Let me guide you through it. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, let's get started. Open the phone app and tap on Contacts at the bottom center. To delete a single contact, just tap and hold on a contact, then select Delete Contact. But if you want to delete multiple contacts at once, here's the trick. Use 2 fingers and start at the very top of your contact list. As you scroll down, you'll see it starts selecting all the contacts you pass over. Once you've selected as many as you want, tap and hold on one of the highlighted contacts. A prompt will appear showing something like Delete 28 contacts. Just tap that button, hit Delete Contacts, and you're all set.